popular Thai dish that is delicious and easy to make. There are many recipes to choose from to suit your taste. You can add additional seasonings as you like, such as red pork, shrimp, or squid. Tips: when stir-frying, stir-fry chicken noodles in a regular pan, not a Teflon pan. There is often a problem with the noodles sticking to the pan. Try burning the pan first by setting the heat on high until the oil is hot and smoking. Pour out the oil and quickly pour water over the pan to wash away the burnt oil. This will prevent the noodles from sticking to the pan. As for the oil used for frying, if it is pork fat, it will be tastier than vegetable oil because its viscosity will be higher and it will have a more fragrant taste. Condiment:
large noodles, 100 grams.
Squid soaked and cut into bite-sized pieces.
100 gram egg.
2 bubble round pepper.
Teaspoon.
Granulated sugar.
1
tablespoon.
seasoning sauce.
1 tablespoon.
Fresh milk.
2 tablespoons.
Oyster sauce.
1 tablespoon.
Fish sauce.
3 tablespoons.
Oil.
5 tablespoons. A little bit of each of spring onion and coriander lettuce leaves. Flat, small crispy fried dough sticks.
Ball
Method: 1. Cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Marinate with seasoning sauce,
oyster sauce,
pepper,
fresh milk,
and sugar in moderate amounts. Marinate for 2 hours. To heat a pan with oil over medium-high heat, add the chicken and squid and stir-fry until cooked. Add the noodles. 3 important thing for stir-fried chicken noodles is to stir-fry the noodles until fragrant, not too dry or too soggy. When stir-frying, use a spatula to spread the noodles out before cracking the eggs and stir-fry until the noodles are slightly burnt. Then season with the remaining seasonings and stir-fry to mix well. 4. Scoop into a plate lined with lettuce. Sprinkle with chopped spring onions, coriander, and sprinkle with taro for a little more flavor. When serving, sprinkle small crispy fried dough sticks on the side of the plate. Thai food. Thai food. Thai food.
Thai food.